Want to start making money with Forex trading but don't know where to start? Well, you're not alone. Every day, millions of people around the globe are trading in the foreign exchange market, a dynamic and ever-evolving financial arena. With an estimated daily trading volume of over $5 trillion, Forex is the largest and most liquid market in the world. The allure of Forex trading lies in its potential for significant profits. However, it's not a game of chance. Successful trading requires a well-thought-out strategy, an understanding of the market, and the ability to make informed decisions. It's not just about buying low and selling high, it's about understanding trends, analyzing charts, and predicting future movements. Without a strategy, you're essentially gambling, and let's be honest, the house always wins in the end. But with knowledge and a solid strategy, you can turn the odds in your favor. Now that you understand the importance of strategy, let's dive into 3 simple but effective strategies you can start using today. First up, we have the pin bar trading strategy. This strategy is all about locating and capitalizing on market reversals. Imagine a pin bar as a candlestick with a long tail and a small body. The tail signifies rejected prices, while the small body shows little price movement. When a pin bar is spotted, it's a signal that a price reversal may be on the horizon. It's a simple yet effective way to read the market. So that's the pin bar trading strategy, a simple yet powerful tool in your Forex trading arsenal. Next, we have the inside bar trading strategy. This strategy is like a game of hide and seek where the inside bar is hiding within the range of the previous bar or mother bar. Simply put, when a bar forms within the shadow of the one before it, it's an inside bar. This shows a period of consolidation which could potentially lead to a significant breakout. Remember, patience is key here. And that's the inside bar trading strategy, another simple but effective tool for your Forex trading. Finally, we have the Forex breakout strategy. This technique is based on the concept of a breakout, which is when a price moves beyond a certain level on a chart with increased volume. A breakout can signal that the price is about to make a substantial move. In Forex trading, this strategy involves setting entry points above resistance and below support levels. When these points are breached, you can expect a strong directional price move. And that's the Forex breakout strategy, the last of our 3 simple but effective Forex trading strategies. So there you have it, 3 simple but effective Forex trading strategies. The pin bar, the inside bar, and the Forex breakout strategies are all designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, making them perfect for beginners. Remember, having a good strategy is key to success in Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips. And don't forget to click the link in the description to start making money with Forex trading today.